Hello guys. Today I'm gonna make this image background transparent. There's this really easy fix we have. Alright, the very first thing I'm gonna do, just take a copy of this background layer. Right click, duplicate layer. Okay. So we got this background copy. And the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click here. You can see the magic wand tool. Grab the tool. And what we need to do is just select the background. So you can see all marching ants nicely all over the image. It's really nicely. And the next thing, I'm gonna turn off the background. Now we need to hit the delete button. See, simple as that. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do, we need to save this as a PNG image, not a JPEG, PNG. Go to File, and you'll see Save for Web. And here make sure it's PNG24, and the transparency is checked. Right. So next thing is we need to save it. Alright, I'm gonna save this anywhere you like, okay? Yes. Save it here. Voila. That's it, guys. I see you next video.